Hey, it's Laura Whitelaw here from Overwhelmed to Empowerment and LauraWhitelawCoaching.com. Today's video is on the topic of money worries after job loss, and this is a follow-up video to one that I posted last week on the emotional impact of job loss. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description below this video so that you can watch that one after this. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that more people will see this content and benefit from it. As mentioned in my last video, it's mid-2020 at the time of this recording, and this year has really been a bit of a shit show. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only resulted in the deaths of 600,000 people worldwide, but it's also led to a full economic downturn across the world. Millions of people are out of work. And obviously, being out of work can cause a lot of anxiety around money, and it hurts your confidence, which isn't very helpful when you're out there looking for a new job. Not only does it hurt your confidence, but it also affects your motivation in looking for a job and performing well in interviews. As a mindset coach who helps people achieve emotional freedom, I'm here to offer you hope and healing at this time. So what I'm going to do is take you through a tapping exercise to help you release your money worries so that you can focus more on your job search and or other ways that you can bring money in at this time. So the tapping exercise I'm going to take you through, just to give you a little bit more of an explanation, tapping is also known as EFT or emotional freedom techniques. The technique does look a little weird if you've never been exposed to tapping before, but it involves tapping on the acupressure points on the face and body to release the fight-flight response that causes us to feel anxiety. So let's get started. Just follow along with me as we go through this tapping exercise. And first, we need to acknowledge how we truly feel in order to release it. So take a moment to focus on how you feel on the topic of money, particularly if you've recently lost your job. And we start on the side of the hand. Even though I'm worried about money, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. Even though I've lost my job and I'm feeling anxious about money, I'm not sure how I'm going to pay the bills, I choose to honor my feelings. Even though I'm worried about how I'm going to pay the bills, I'm open to relaxing about all this and taking a new perspective. All this worry about money. I'm feeling so anxious about money. What if I can't pay my bills? It doesn't feel safe. I feel all this anxiety. There's just not enough money. And what if I can't find another job? I'm worried that I won't be able to pay the bills. What if I can't find another job? I feel so anxious about all this. What am I going to do? But I'm open to finding a way to relax so that I can put my best foot forward in my job search or in my search for other ways to make money. All these fears, all this anxiety, I'm open to letting it all go and allowing myself to relax for the sake of my health and well-being. I'm open to the idea that it can work out for me and that another opportunity is available to me. What if there's an even better opportunity out there for me? I love that idea. Or even something that I can do temporarily until the economy improves. I can make this work. I'm open to things working out for me. It's safe for me to relax so that I can feel more confident and motivated about finding a new job or another source of income. I don't know what that is, and that's okay. But I'm open to letting it in. I'm choosing to let go of this fear and this anxiety so that I can put my best foot forward in starting this new chapter. It feels good to relax and trust that it will all work out for me. I don't need an answer right now, but I'm open to an answer presenting itself to me and letting go of all of these money worries. So take a deep breath and let it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button below and leave me a comment letting me know your feedback. And be sure and subscribe so that you'll get notified when I post my next video on releasing anxiety around paying the bills. Thanks again for watching and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.